Hello there. In this video, I will show you how to write content for social media profiling using ChatGPT. Social media profile content creation is a very important. Many of us do not understand how to create social media profile content. If that were the case, it would be great if someone could create the content for my social media profile, would not it? Yes. Using ChatGPT, you can create content for social media profile of your choice. ChatGPT can be used to generate content for social media profile such as writing captions and description for social media posts, generating creative and engaging hashtags, creating personalized and automated responses for direct messages, writing social media update in real time for event and campaigns, and also generating interesting and attention grabbing bio description for profiles. Social media is a crucial aspect of modern marketing and personal branding. Creating engaging and high quality content for social media profile can be a time consuming task, but with the help of ChatGPT, this process can be greatly streamlined. In this video, we will explain how to ChatGPT can be used to generate various types of content for social media profile, including captions, descriptions, and update. With its advanced language generation capabilities, ChatGPT offers a new innovative approach to social media content creation. So, here we'll type write a content Facebook profile about affiliate marketers and press enter. Look here. Affiliate marketers are individuals or companies that promote other business products and services, earning a commission on any resulting sales. They use various marketing techniques such as email marketing, social media, and content creation to drive traffic to the merchant they represent. So, join our community to learn from experienced affiliate marketers, get tips and advice, and connect with like-minded individuals. So, if I need more, then here write continue writing more about this topic, right? And press enter. Look here. Affiliate marketing is not just about promoting product and earning commissions. It's about finding the right product that aligns with your audience and building trust with them. This is why choosing the right product and being transparent about your affiliate relationship is crucial for success. So look here, ChatGPT right here, awesome type of content, right? So again I type write a content Twitter profile about affiliate marketing and enters. Affiliate marketing affiliate marketing is a win for merchant and affiliates. Get the latest topic, tools and technique to success. Follow us for daily inspiration and education. So here use some hashtag, right? And if I want write more content, then here type continue writing more about this topic, right? And enter. So here provide more information about Twitter profile affiliate marketers, right? ChatGPT is a powerful tool for creating high quality content for social media profile. Its ability to produce like human text quickly and accurately makes it a valuable asset for business and individual looking to improve their presence on social media platforms. So here I type again, write an Twitter caption about affiliate marketing and enter. So here typing some caption of affiliate marketing on Twitters. Look this, empowering your passions with the power of hashtag. Here use hashtag, join the revolution and turn your side hustle into a full-time business. And use here some hashtag, online marketing, passive income, entrepreneur mindset, right? So you are looking to create caption and description, generate engaging hashtag or automated direct message response. ChatGPT has you covered. ChatGPT offers a new and exciting way to enhance your social media presence and effectively engage with your followers. Using ChatGPT, you can write great profile content very easily, right? So why you delay? Start now and earn more money by selling this profile content. You can earn a lots of money by selling social media profile content, right? Hope do you understand that how to write social media profile content using ChatGPT. Thanks for watching this video.